everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your natural nail guru, and today we have some Beetles swatches to do. Alrighty everyone, for those who don't know the Beetles gel polish brand, and for those who do, I have done a full product review on Beetles gel polish a few months ago. She's super hands-on, does a lot of cleaning, and her manicure, like always, came back absolutely perfect. So I will link the video at the end, but make sure if you haven't already checked it out that you check it out. In that video, I am going over first impressions of Beetles gel polish, consistency of the gel, the application process, any issues with it, how does it look on day one, how shiny or matte is it, and then I have multiple clients that are testing out the product so that we're really seeing what we want to see the most is how the product actually wears after a couple of weeks. So my clients go out there testing the product that compared to what I normally use here in the shop, and Beetles has definitely come through as a solid performer. What's amazing is that Beetles is available on Amazon, so it's really easily accessible. You do not need a license, and it is incredibly affordable. So if you haven't already checked it out, make sure that you check out the Beetles full review so you can see for yourself how amazing this product is. And while you're at it, if you guys want to keep up to date with the most thorough product reviews for nails and all the tips to help improve the overall health of your natural nails, as well as get the longest lasting manicures you've ever had, make sure that you subscribe, get your notifications on, and share with your fellow nail enthusiasts, because whether they are professional or DIY, I bet I have something that's going to help them out. I am actually going to be swatching out 2 kits today because they only have 6 colors each, and they're summer colors, so I figured I'd mash them all up together. So the first one that we're going to be swatching out is the St. Patrick's Day Mint Mojito. So again, 6 colors. This one is $13.99. You can get it on Amazon, and if you shop on Beetles.com directly, you can use all my gel at checkout and save yourself 5% additional. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and swatch the first kit. All right, the first color we're going to check out from the Mint Mojito is A641. Excuse me. They do not do Beetles, does not do names, they do numbers. Ooh, that's nice. It's like an electric mustard. Really pretty. Ooh, look at that consistency. You just never fails, Beetles. Look how beautiful that coverage is just on the first coat. Look at that coverage. One coat, beautiful consistency, and this tone of yellow is awesome. I've really grown to love Beetles' variation of yellow tones. So let's not waste any more time. Let's check this out with the second coat. So here we go, 2 coats, beautiful coverage, beautiful consistency, very vibrant, no issues in polishing, no streaking, and a beautiful color. Let's check out the next one. This one definitely looks like a bright yellow. This one's A642, maybe like a limey yellow. Oh no, a soft, bright, oh yeah, a little limey. You can see a little bit of that lime. Ooh, this is a pretty neon. I got a little sidetrack there, I got mesmerized. Oh my gosh, this right here, totally, this is like highlighter yellow. This is that highlighter yellow for sure. Ooh, my clients are gonna obsess over this one. That is one cute yellow. Super cute. Let's check out the second coat. So here we go, 2 coats, beautiful coverage, beautiful color, consistency on point. It is gorgeous. And let me tell you, yellows can get really hard when it comes to consistency, if it's too thick, and the curing and the wrinkling, because yellow is a really pigmented color. And it honestly doesn't even matter what shade of yellow. They tend to be really rough to polish with sometime, but Beetles comes through. All right, let's check out the next one. And next up we have A643. And this one is a soft limey color. Oh, that is cute. Yeah, you can see that color there. That one is cute. Oh, I think it's gonna be a toss-up between this one and the last one. Look how cute that color is. Oh my gosh. Let's check it out with the second coat. Here we go, 2 coats, beautiful. Who else loves lime yellow in the summer? Is it just us Miami folk? Comment down below. Tell me we're not the only ones. This one looks like a deeper lime green, A644. Let's check you out. And it is. That's a really pretty lime green. That's a color we're vibing with in my shop this summer for sure. Oh wow, yeah, that's electric. It looks even more electric now that I'm polishing it than it did on the brush. Look at how beautiful that brush is on, and it's such great coverage just on the first coat. It never ceases to amaze me. Let's check out the second coat. So here we go, 2 coats. What can I say? Beautiful coverage, lovely consistency, lovely color. Let's check out the next one. Okay, so this next one looks like a darker bright green, A645. And it is a darker neon green. Oh yeah, these definitely look more neon than the brush when you actually start polishing. That one is cute. Look at that color, super adorable, and of course, great coverage, great consistency. Let's finish this one up. So here we have it, 2 coats, and surprise, surprise, beautiful coverage, beautiful consistency, lovely color. Let's check out the last one. And here we go, a blue. I think it's kind of random. We have a blue, yellows, greens, and then we got to throw in this blue. A646. You know, oh, that's a cute blue. You know, it looks like a baby blue in there, but it kind of looks like it has a little green undertone. No, not really. It's definitely a blue. This is a cute color. It's like a pastel version of cornflower blue from D&D. Ooh, that one is a cutie. Look at that. That's one coverage. Jesus, one coverage. I mean, one coat. Beautiful. Let's finish this one up. And here we go. 2 coats. Beautiful color, beautiful coverage. Absolutely lovely. Super cute. Let's take a look one more time at this collection. That blue actually does look really cute thrown in there. Oh, but this color is so adorable. Super, super cute. Okay, so the kit is super, super cute. I absolutely love the shades of green and yellow, and as always, their consistency is very thick, very rich, but super easy to polish and work with. Definitely not streaky or clumpy, and you're getting the full coverage that you want within 2 coats, which is pretty much the norm with Beetles. So hooray Beetles for consistency, I appreciate that. Now let's get to the next kit. This one is the Forever Young 6 colors, also $13.99 on Amazon, and you can also save 5% using Oh My Gel at checkout if you go to Beetles.com. So let's get to this collection. Okay, so for Forever Young, we are starting off with number 745. I'm sorry, 749, looking like a purple. And it is a beautiful, nice, rich purple. Super cute. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. Definitely a little bit softer in the consistency that I'm used to with Beetles, but it still has really great coverage just on the first coat. A lovely purple color. Let's check it out with the second coat. So here we go, 2 coats, beautiful full coverage, beautiful color, lovely, lovely. Let's check out the next one. All right, next one up is 750. This one is looking like a hot pink. Ooh, yes. That is a hot pink. Beautiful, beautiful. Definitely noticing the consistency a little softer than we're used to. Beautiful color, still really nice coverage on the first coat. Let's check this one out with 2 coats. So here we go, beautiful hot pink, 2 coats, great coverage, definitely softer than the usual with Beetles, but still beautiful consistency and a great coverage for the second coat. Let's check out the next one. Oh, it's looking like a neon yellow, number 751 for this one. Oh, that is definitely neon. Love it. Looking like it's also going to be a soft consistency. I think that might be a common factor for all the colors in this collection. Hold on a second, and a little bit more. Super cute. Yeah, the consistency for these colors are definitely a little bit softer. I wouldn't say sheer, just softer. This neon yellow is super bright. Definitely reminds me of lemon juice from D&D. Let's do 2 coats with this and check it out. So here we go, 2 coats. Definitely a soft color. You might need a 3rd coat depending on the nail bed. Really, really cute. Bright neon yellow. Comment down below if you love neon for summer. All right, let's check out the next one. Ooh, this one looks nice. $7.52. It's almost like a pink red. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, that is definitely fluorescent. It looks orange in the video, but it's not. Oh, there you go. You see the pink now. Yeah, this is definitely fluorescent. Definitely with the intention of being soft. All the colors kind of have that common. You can tell this one is not intended to be a very thick, creamy color. Although consistency is still beautiful, coverage is still really, really nice and even. Let's check it out with 2 coats. So here we go, 2 coats. It actually does have really, really nice coverage. It is intended to be a soft color, it seems like, but you can definitely do 3 coats if you want it to be a little bit more full or get a little more even toning on the nail plate if you need it. Super cute fluorescent though. Let's check out the next one. This next one is number 753. It's looking like a cute tealish kind of color, minty color. Super cute. Oh, this one's really pretty. And again, the same softer consistency as the other polishes, but still really nice even coverage on the first coat. A really cute color. Let's check it out with the second coat. So here we go, 2 coats, beautiful color. Super, super cute. Really nice coverage, still a softer consistency as with the other ones, but you're still getting really nice coverage. And as, of course, you can do a 3rd coat if you feel it necessary. Really cute. We got 1 more to go. All right, and for the final color, number 754, this one is looking like a deeper blue. Really cute blue. I can see it has that same kind of softer consistency, but this one definitely is a creamier, much fuller color than the others, kind of like the purple. Look at that, still such great coverage on the first coat. Oh my God, look how pretty that looks. That's so satisfying, oh my goodness. All right, let's check this one out with the second coat. So here we go, 2 coats, full coverage, beautiful color. Really, really cute. I love it. It is a whole nother experience. Look at this. These are, sorry, I got my fingerprints all over them right there. We just watched these. Look at how freaking cute they look together. Individually, I probably would have thought that this one and this one might have not really been, you know, on the same level as the other colors, but how freaking cute is this combo? All of these colors belong on one manicure. This is too cute. I love it. Super cute. Yay. That collection is super cute. I absolutely love the color combo of them together. It's definitely a little different consistency of the gel than I'm used to with Beetles. I think it's intended to be that way because all the colors for the most part were the same except for the purple, which was a really, really full coverage. So it is possible with some nail plates that you might need a 3rd coat with these colors in this collection, unless you do like that kind of soft, almost like marshmallowy kind of sheer. Not gloss necessarily, but it's definitely more of like a softer sheer look. And still equally adorable. The combination of those colors is what I'm absolutely obsessed with. All 12 of these colors are absolutely gorgeous. Definitely says summer 100%, and the combination of all of them together work beautifully. But we've only seen them with glossy, and as promised, we're going to check these colors out in matte as well. So let's see what they look like matted out. So this one is the Mint Mojito. We already saw the glossies. One last overall look, and ooh, look at that matte. Super cute. Man, I love matte on brights. Am I the only one? Glossy, matte. Super cute. All right, and here we have Forever Young. One last look at this super cute combo in glossy. And let's do the matte reveal. How cute is that? I am obsessed with this color combination. I definitely need to put all of these in a manicure. Super cute. So there we go, glossy and matte. Take your pick. Enjoyed that. And just a follow-up, both of the kits, which the links will be down below, are $13.99, and both of them can be purchased either through Amazon or through Beetles. And remember, if you use Beetles.com, make sure to use Oh My Gel at checkout so you can save yourself a couple extra bucks. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches, and remember to check out that Beetles product review if you haven't already, because they are amazing, affordable, and lots of color options. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.